Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to STEM Lockdown Digital School. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. You are all well rested and you are all ready for our digital school. Did you all have a lovely weekend?
Yep.
That's good. And I hope you weren't couch potatoes. I hope you all went outside and got some fresh air. You ate healthy food. Good. All right, boys and girls, so let's get started. Let's go and have a look and see what the date is today. Before I show you, on Friday, the date was the 15th. If the date on Friday was the 15th, who can tell us what is the date today? Who can help us? Friday was the 15th. Last week, Friday was the 15th. Who can help us? Wow, Nathan, what's the date today?
18.
Yes, clever boy. Well done. Today is the 18th of May, 2020. Excellent. Good, boys and girls. And to all our new children, welcome to your numeracy class. My name is Rohini Pillay, and here are my details if you need to contact me. Please, parents, don't hesitate to do so. And also, we've had some great images of children doing their homework. I really appreciate those. Thank you very much. I also post the pictures of the children's homework on my Instagram and Facebook page just to praise the kids a little bit and show everyone how well they are doing. So thank you so much to those who have been sending me their work. Right, just remember, boys and girls, if you have an answer to any question or if you have a question, please raise your hand. And also, if you can't do that, ask mommy and daddy to help you with the chat room, okay? Good. So let's go and have a look what we're going to learn about today, boys and girls. What are we going to learn about? More than, less than, equal to, and bonds of 5. Now, I know we've touched base a bit on more than, less than, and equal to, but we've just got to revise it to make sure that it's stuck in our brains and we know exactly what to do, all right? And then we are going to do bonds of 5. All right. But before we start, boys and girls, we don't have a Debbie Do video today, but we're going to do a little bit of exercise. So, are there any children who would like to give us an exercise that we can do? We've got to get our bloods flowing and our bodies moving. All right, so let's see who is going to give us an exercise. Kobe, what are we going to do?
Star jump.
Star jumps. Excellent. Okay, everybody, we are going to do 10 star jumps. Are you ready? So lift your little bottoms off the chair, up on your feet, and we're going to do 10 star jumps. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. Excellent. Good. Who would like to give us one more exercise? Let's see who is going to give us an exercise. Who is going to give us an exercise? Aaliyah?
Hey, I'm gonna give the exercise to them. And the exercise is that we must do some rabbit jump. We're gonna do frog jumping.
Frog jumps. Okay, so feet on the floor, hands on the floor, Make yourself look like a frog. And we're going to hop up 10 times. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more and 10. Good job. All right. So we've done some exercise and now we're ready to learn. Good. So calm bodies, still bodies. Let's sit quietly now. Thank you to Kobe and Aaliyah. That was great. Well done. Good. Okie dokes. So let us go to our morning greeting, boys and girls. Are you ready? We're going to count from 1 to 40. We're going to count backwards from 35 to 0. And we're going to count in fives. All right? So let's go and count from 1 to 40. And Franklin is all ready to help us. Right, Franklin, let's count from 1 to 40.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Well done. Very good, Franklin. Excellent. Very good. Right, boys and girls, let's go and count backwards. Are you ready? Remember, we are going to go backwards. We are hopping towards the left. So find the red circle. Good, you've got it. Circle the number 35. And let's have a look and see who is going to count backwards for us this morning. All right. Boys and girls, don't forget to raise your hand if you would like to answer my question or if you would like to count for us like we are doing now. Good. Buchle, would you like to count for us?
Yes.
Excellent.
35, 34, 33, 32, 39, 30,
Good.
90,
29. Good.
28,
Good.
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20,
Excellent.
19,
Good.
18,
Good.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Good. Well done, Buchle. Excellent. Well done. And you went nice and slowly. That's great. Good. Well done. Right, boys and girls, let's count together as a class. We're going to count in fives. But let's see if we can go to 60. I know we only need to go up to 50, but let's see if we can go to 60. I'm sure you can. Let's try push. Okay, so starting at 5, we're going to bounce in between the 5s column and the 10s column. All right, so let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What comes after 50? 55, 60. Well done, boys and girls. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a look. Who have we got today? Who is this? Let's see if anybody remembers. Liam, can you remember who this is?
No.
You can't remember? Okay. Sean, do you remember? Celeste, do you remember?
Malachi.
Sorry, Malachi?
Yes. Alligator.
It's Mr. Croc, guys. Let's listen about Mr. Croc. Mr. Croc is hungry for lunch. Find the biggest number and he will munch, munch, munch. So look and listen carefully. Mr. Croc is hungry for lunch. Find the biggest number and he will munch, munch, munch. So let's have a look, boys and girls. We've got the number 15. And then we've got the number 9. Can you see the numbers over here? 15 and 9. So now remember, I told you right at the top over here, I told you that Mr. Croc is hungry and he likes eating the biggest numbers. Okay, he likes big numbers because he likes to eat. He's always hungry. Okay, so we've got number 15 and we've got number 9. Which number is Mr. Croc going to eat, boys and girls? Who knows which number Mr. Croc is going to eat? Isabella?
Yes.
Which number is Mr. Croc going to eat?
15.
Why do you say that?
Because it's bigger.
Good, because 15 is bigger than 9. So Mr. Croc is going to eat number 15. Can you see his mouth is open nice and wide towards number 15? He is ready to munch number 15. Good. Right, so let's have a look and see how we will write that in numeracy or how we will write that in maths. Because I don't think we can draw Mr. Croc in our maths books, can we? No, I don't think so. So let's have a look. We've got 15 and we've got 9. So let's have a look how we will draw that in mathematics. Can you all see the sign at the bottom in black? Can you all see this sign? This is how you will draw it. Okay, so it looks similar to Mr. Croc's mouth. Can you see it's nice and wide? It's open nice and wide. And it's ready to munch number 15. Good. All right. So now we are going to practice drawing that symbol, okay? So let's go have a look. Right, we've got 24 and we've got the number 18. Which number is Mr. Croc going to eat, boys and girls? Aaliyah?
He's gonna eat 24.
Excellent. He's going to eat number 24. So there we've got our sign. Nice and wide. His mouth is nice and wide. And he's going to munch number 24. Okay, good. So that's the last practice round. Now let's write the numbers in our books. Okay. So what number are we going to write? 17 and 28. So write the numbers 17 and 28 in your book or on your page. And don't forget to leave a little space in the middle, okay? Good. So you've got the numbers 17 and 28. Wow, Reese has already got the answer for us. Reese, which number is Mr. Croc going to eat?
28.
Excellent. 28. Come now, Ro. Where's your pen? 28. Excellent. Does yours look like mine, Reese? Did you draw this symbol, sweetheart? Oh, she's disappeared. Let's get her back. Does your symbol look like mine, sweetheart?
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you. Good. All right. Let's look at the next example, boys and girls. 9 and 9. So write those numbers on your page. Don't forget to leave the space in the middle. Good. Okay. So which number is Mr. Croc going to eat, boys and girls? Nyasha?
They are equal.
They are equal. Very good. And why are they equal, Nyasha?
Because they're the same.
Good. They are the same numbers. So Mr. Croc's not going to eat any of those numbers. They are equal. So we're going to put the equal sign in the middle. Did you do that, Nyasha?
Yes.
Okay, good. Remember, we're going to practice, all right? Good, boys and girls. So there we go. We've got two of the same numbers. They are equal, so we put the equal sign in the middle. Okay. Right, let's look at the next example. 14 and 30. Have a look. Write the numbers down. 14 and 30. Good. So you've got those numbers written down on your page, boys and girls. Which number is Mr. Croc going to munch, munch, munch? Franklin, are you going to help us? All right. Leo, you can do the next one. All right, sweetheart? Franklin?
It's gonna be 30.
30. And why is Mr. Croc going to eat 30?
Because it's bigger than 14.
Excellent. Well explained. Good, Franklin. Because 30 is bigger than the number 14. Excellent. All right, Leo, you are going to do this one for us. But everybody, write the numbers on your page. 12 and 5. 12 and 5. Write those numbers on your page, boys and girls. Wow, I see some of you are done already. That's excellent. All right, Leo, can you help us? Which number is Mr. Croc going to eat?
12.
12. And why do you say 12, Leo?
Because it's big.
It's big. What is it bigger than?
5.
Good. It's bigger than 5. It's more than 5. Well done, boys and girls. Good. All right. Let's go and move on to bonds of 5. What two numbers are equal to 5? Do you think you can do that?
Yes.
Excellent. So what two numbers are equal to 5? Let's go have a look. All right. So let's go have a look. 4 plus what equals 5? If I've got 4 sweets, how many more sweets do I need to have 5 sweets, boys and girls? Aaliyah? How many more sweets do I need to equal to 5?
1.
Good. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good, Aaliyah. Very good. All right. Let's go and have a look at this one. This one is a little bit tricky. So have a look very carefully. We've got an empty block plus 5 equals 5. Who thinks they know what number we are going to put in this block over here? Micah?
We're gonna put 0.
0. Why are we going to put 0, sweetheart?
Because 5 plus nothing equals 5.
Yes, because 0 plus 5 equals 5. Very good, Micah. Excellent. Wow, you are all on the ball this morning. You are all super awake and those brains are working. Excellent. Let's look at the third sum. 2 plus what gives us 5? If you've got 2 sweeties, how many more do we need to equal to 5? All right, boys and girls, I know you are super excited to answer, but let's give the other children a chance as well. Okay, let them figure it out. Let's give them a little bit more time and let's let them figure it out as well. Okay, so 2 plus what gives us 5? Reese?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Very good. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good. And let's look at the last one, boys and girls. Have a look carefully. We've got an empty block plus 3 equals what? Right, you're all looking carefully. An empty block plus what gives us 5? Oh, sorry, pardon me. An empty block plus 3 gives us 5. Kobe?
It's 2.
Good, it's 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good, Kobe. Okay, boys and girls, so you are going to practice your bonds of 5 at home, okay? So maybe you are going to gather 5 objects. Maybe you can use your pencils or your pencil crayons, okay? And you are going to practice bonds of 5 with your pencils, okay? So put 2 down and then see how many more you need to add to equal to 5. And then you can put 1 down and see how many more you need to add to equal to 5. Okay, so you can practice with objects. Good. I've also got a really cool activity I've just remembered on my Instagram and Facebook page where you can create your own bonds of 5. So go and have a look, okay? Good. All right. So let's have a look at this, boys and girls. What have we got here? It looks like a house. Can you see that the number 5 is in the roof? Good. And we've got number 1 in the window. Can you see that? The left-hand window has number 1. Now, what number is going to be over here? Because 1 and another number must equal to the big number 5 in the roof. Let's see if Malachi can help us.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us, what number are we going to put in this block over here?
4.
4, good. Because 1 and 4 makes 5. Good, Malachi, good. Right, let's look at the next house, boys and girls. What have we got in the next house? An empty block on the left and 4 on the right gives us what in the top roof? 5. So what number are we going to put in the empty block? 1. Good. 1 and 4 makes 5. Excellent. Let's have a look at the next house, boys and girls, and let's see if Liam can help us. Liam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. What number are we going to put in this empty block, boy?
2.
Good. Why do you say 2, boy?
Because it equals 5.
Good. 2 and 3 equals 5. Wow. Well done, Liam. Good. Right. Let's look at the next house. Oh dear. What do we have on the left? We've got a 0. And we've got an empty window. And we've got the big 5 in the roof. What number are we going to put in the right-hand side window? Kobe?
5.
5. Why do you say 5, Kobe?
Because there is 0 and there's 5.
Yes, because 0 and 5 equals?
5.
Good, Kobe. Very good. 0 and 5 equals 5. Excellent. Are we going to do another house? Yes, we are. I think we've got 2 more, boys and girls. Let's have a look. We've got 2. And this house doesn't know what to put in this block over here. Who is going to help this house? Nelly, are you going to help us?
Yes.
Okay, good. 2 and what other number makes 5?
3.
3. Excellent. 2 and 3 makes 5. Thank you, Nelly. Very good. And let's look at our last house, boys and girls. What and 5 makes 5? Micah?
You must put 0.
Do I need to put 0? Okay. Why am I putting 0 over there?
In the window.
Why am I putting 0 there?
Because 0 plus 5 equals 5.
That's it. Very good. Well explained. Because 0 plus 5 equals 5. Very good, boys and girls. Well done. And now we have come to the end of our lesson, boys and girls. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson and I hope you all had fun. And let's have a look what our lesson is for this week. Okay, we know we're going to see you tomorrow, Ro. So you're all going to see me tomorrow at 8 o'clock. You all know that? Good. And let's have a look what our message is. Who can remember what we learned about last week? What did we practice last week? Reese, What message did we practice last week? Okay, let's see if Malachi can help us. Malachi?
We're special.
And that was the literacy lesson, sweetheart. What was the numeracy lesson about? Think carefully.
Don't stop until you're proud.
Okay, good. You've got all the messages, but there was one message in the numeracy lesson last week. Aaliyah, can you help us?
Yeah,
What was it about?
it was about don't stop until you are proud.
Okay, good. You and Malachi have don't stop until you're proud. And what about being kind? Can you remember being kind? Good. You all remember the messages. I'm so happy. Good. You're all listening and you're all practicing them. Very good, boys and girls. So let's look at our message for this week. We are going to practice honesty. Okay, the words are in capital letters over here, but we are going to practice honesty. Franklin, can you help us and tell us what is honesty?
Telling the truth.
Telling the truth. Very good. Okay, so we are going to practice being honest this week. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to practice being honest. So we are going to practice telling the truth. So if you hid your baby sister or your baby brother's shoe away and mommy asks you, Kobe, where did you put your baby brother's shoe? You need to tell the truth, okay? No fibs, no little white lies, okay? Good. So we're going to practice honesty. Well done, boys and girls. I hope I'm going to see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Enjoy the rest of your day and be good. Bye.